Hey guys, beautiful day here in October 30th. Tomorrow's Halloween 2022. Absolute beautiful day. I should be out fishing, but have a lot of stuff to do to get back on the, this could be one of the last nice days we have here before it gets super cold, so I want to get my boat cleaned up. I'm not going to bore you guys to death with the cleaning process. You guys can all wash your boats in any manner that you choose. I'm going to show you guys the before and after of me using some Better Boat products. Some of them are brand new to me. So let's look at, again, some of the before stuff. This boat is absolutely as dirty as it's ever been in the 5 years that I've owned it. I've been fishing like crazy this summer and haven't had the time to stop and actually clean the thing. I'm super OCD about my stuff. I hate it when it looks this way. So let's look at some of the before areas that are problematic. I'm going to show you the products that I'm going to use to clean it. I'm going to show you the before right now. And then I'm going to clean the boat. Again, I'm not going to bore you to death with the cleaning process. You can wash your own boat how you feel, but I'm going to show you guys what the Better Boat products do for me and show you how you can get your hands on some. So let's look at some of the problem areas and look at some of the products that I'm going to be using today. You can see here that these fender wells are stainless steel, but you can see where I've rubbed a little bit off there. There's an absolute grimy mess here. I'm going to be washing the thing and then using some Better Boat metal polish on all this stuff right here so we can take a look at that. This is definitely the before. I'll show you guys some pictures and stuff. We have a really nasty water line here. Been fishing the Ohio River a lot this year. Trailer is super nasty. Again, there's another, probably a better shot of the stainless steel fenders. You can see this is super bad. I see that really cruddy water line there. I'm going to be using Better Boat hull cleaner to make that happen. 3 products I'm going to use. First off, Better Boat soap all over the entire boat. Clean it up first. Deck cleaner for anything that you want non-slip but you want cleaned. Amazing stuff. Quick tip, the Better Boat deck cleaner works amazing for your floor liners. Like I don't care what, I have the Z71 floor liners in here, but when you have WeatherTechs or anything like that, that stuff works amazing because it makes it non-slip and cleans it like crazy. After I get it all clean, I'm going to throw some wax sealant on it and then rinse it off, make sure to get it all rinsed cleanly. Again, super dirty. You see the engine looks kind of shiny, but there's definitely water spots. There's a big ring down here, ring on the back of the boat, like right here. Water line again. I'm fishing the Ohio River a lot, which can be nasty, so you can really see a good shot of this water line right here. Again, hull cleaner from Better Boat. Wash all this stuff with boat soap. On the boat, I'm going to put the wax sealant on there, spray it all, rinse it all off, and then I'm going to come in when it dries and I'm going to use the metal polish on anything that's metal. And again, I'm not going to bore you guys to death with the cleaning of it. You guys all are capable of washing your own boat in any manner that you see fit. But this is definitely the before, and it is extremely nasty. So let me get after this thing for a couple hours, and then I'm going to show you guys the result of cleaning my boat with Better Boat products. And I'm going to show you guys how you can get your hands on some should you wish to. Let's get after it. All right, a little out of breath. Been working my rear end off. You can see my face is just absolutely flustered. Stage 1 done. Washed it with Better Boat soap. Cleaned it all, rinsed it all. Used the hull cleaner on the hull to get all that stuff off of there. Then sprayed the wax sealer on there. The way you use that is when the boat is still wet, just spray it all over the boat. Wash it, or actually rinse it until it rinses clean. You don't see any white stuff on there. You definitely don't want to leave that stuff on your boat. It'll dry and it'll spot. That's just the way that the hybrid ceramic stuff is. So wash it until the rinse goes clean. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on my seats, and I'm going to use the vinyl cleaner and then put the vinyl protectant on there, which is 2 new products to me. But I've done a little test here just to kind of see how well this stuff works. And again, this is Better Boat vinyl cleaner. I do have the vinyl protectant, which is right there, but directions say to spray it on there and then in circular motions wash the vinyl. So
I wanted to do a little test here. So this is a throwable that's been in the bilge of my boat forever. This is the dirty side, and then you can see the difference. It's crazy. So hopefully it works out good on my boat seats. We're about to figure it out. All right, guys, finally got everything done on the boat here. Got everything clean. Again, I've done everything with the Better Boat product line. I just done my seat here. My seats, I've put the vinyl cleaner on there. I'm waiting until it dries, and then I'm gonna put the vinyl protectant on there, which keeps the sun and rays and stuff from hurting it. Polished all the stainless steel with the metal polish, and I'll let the results speak for themselves. You can see it's pretty daggone clear, pretty clean. No aluminum, no sleight of hand here, folks. There it is. Got all that crap off the hull. Got the stuff here set up. Got this stuff polished over here. Got everything ready to rock and roll. Ready to go for the next fishing adventure. You guys, if you like Better Boat products or like to try them out, I'm gonna drop a code in the description below. I don't make a dime off from it, just to help you guys out, help the followers here on another line. But stuff works, guys. The only thing I can tell you. I don't back stuff here on my channel that I don't like. You guys know I fish Shimano, G Loomis, Jackall, Power Pro, stuff like that. Stuff that I fish and I like it. So I'm just showing you guys what I use and I like. Better Boat products, thebetterboat.com. Check them out. Again, I use the hull cleaner on the hull. I use the boat soap. I use metal polish. I use the wax sealant back there on the ground. And I think the results speak for themselves. Again, on the seats, I had the vinyl cleaner. Now I'm going to put the vinyl protector on there to keep all the stuff off from it. So, Better Boat, what can I say? Till next time, guys. See you next time. If you can, get out there and lean on them. We'll see you on another line.